Okay, here we are back with our image to laser tutorial. This is tutorial 2B of our series, and in this one, or in the last one, we got this image from the interweb and converted it to a vector graphic, so it's got these nice sharp crisp lines for the laser to follow, and by tracing a bitmap. And now we are, at this video, going to try and get this over to the laser software. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back. I closed it so you can see the full process again. We need to find our layers again. So we're going to go under layer, going to head down to the bottom, push layers. And now what I'm going to do is, I don't need this red line because all I want is the image right now. I've already got the red line cut out because we made the insert for the coaster. So I don't need that anymore. So what I'm going to do is up here, the first layer that I was using, I can turn that off. So when you turn it on and off using this eyeball, it's gone. That's the first step. All we want is the image. The only reason we were using the red line is to make sure our image is the right size. Okay, so we'll turn that off. Next step, go File and go Save a Copy. Oh, by the way, you should probably save your design at some point in case your battery runs out, or if you ever want to look at this whole design again, you can do a regular save first. File, save, and we'll just push OK. Oh, I don't want to do that. File, save. It should save as SVG. This is the editable Inkscape file, and save it to wherever you're working. Now we'll do File, Save a Copy. This copy is going to be in PDF format, so we've done this before, PDF. We'll hit save. I'm going to put this in my project folder, which is my documents, and down here to Wood 1112, and we're going to call this NHL image laser. Okay, there we go. Save. Push OK. So we have this file we've created. Let's go find it. So we'll head down to our Explorer, File Explorer, and I'm going to go to my documents. There we go. And in my documents, I'm going to go to Wood 1112, and I'm going to find NHL Image Laser. And I'm going to right-click on it. This is really important. If you double-click, it will open that file. We talked about this before in your browser, and that's not going to work. You have to right-click and pick a program that says Open With Adobe Reader. You got to open it with this one. Okay, and now you're going to print from here, and you're going to choose the correct printer, which is our laser, the VLS 460, and we are going to make sure we are actual size, and you can be in landscape mode. There you go, 24 by 18. This is the size of our laser bed, and we'll hit print. And where'd it go? Well, we've done this before, so we're going to head down here. It is in the UCP, and there we are ready to go. Now it's all about alignment. You're going to have to spend some time. Oh, and settings. So the settings you're going to use for this are, we're just engraving, so all we need to do is go to Natural, and we're going to go to Wood, and Medium Wood, and Birch, and give it a thickness just to be nice. It doesn't matter too much because we're only engraving. So let's just do the same as before, the thickness of the material, and hit apply. And then last time we had to go into the manual controls and change something. This 10% had to be slowed down in order to cut through the material, but now we don't have to. We can just accept the defaults and push OK. So we are set up for engraving. All you're going to have to do is move this thing onto your coaster and center it, and we'll talk about that later. And also don't forget to focus the machine because, well, light has to be focused to a pinpoint to be able to do the job. So we're going to be focusing, making sure this is on the material, and then we should be set to go. Okay, so at this point you would be carrying your computer over to the laser, plugging it in, and making those final adjustments before you engrave your coaster. That's all for this video.